So Vaccibox came to be after we studied in the market that rural healthcare facilities that are in off-grid places and also most of the time overlooked when it comes to technology access needed to store medical items like vaccines, yet they don't have electricity. So the first step that we did with design and development of Vaccibox was doing a design thinking activity. So this just informed so much of the design and development and how we incorporated all this feedback into development of Vaccibox and what it is right now. So Kenya does not have such a vibrant ecosystem for prototyping such kind of technologies that are highly regulated, like by the WHO or even the CE mark. So it meant that a lot of structures were built from scratch by us. It was hard. We were a small team. Also, we were constrained with financing, just building this infrastructure, because it took us a very long time to understand how do we build this from the feedback that we got from the client to an actual product. So between 2021 and now, we've actually done design iterations. We've done quick jumps in just ensuring that we fix the issues that comes with different designs. So there have been changes like in the size of the Vaccibox, in the insulation, the battery capacity. So ever since we launched the first working Vaccibox in the market in 2021 till date, we've been able to store over 1 million vaccines.